Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to Barrett Zone here. The brand new area. Brand new nighttime area, I would say, because they're usually open in the evening or afternoon. I don't see any breakfast spot here yet. Maybe this is missing. A good breakfast spot here. But yeah, yesterday I walked by here. They had live music going on here, so check it out. It was very busy, very lively. I like it. I like what they did. I think there could be a little bit more. So I don't think they're all rented out, but it's gonna be good. A very nice central location here. Look at this, there's a event calendar. Look at this. They have events here. Weekly live music, Tuesday and Saturday. Interesting. Flower booth session, Women's Day acoustic. Oh yeah, Women's Day is in March again. And you gotta get some flowers. But if you're there with your missus, be aware, Flowers Day is gonna be, Flowers Day, Women's Day. Get flowers a day before or order them before. It's very busy. Last year I had to drive around like crazy to get some flowers. And I think this year it's gonna be even more. But also you can go to the local market, it's also good for flowers. But to be honest, it's gonna be good because flowers, there's so many new flower shops right now in Da Nang. They weren't there before. So if you wanna stay in Sicilia, you gotta do it quick because the beach view might be taken away soon from this building. I think it's gonna be a high rise. It's gonna be Solis Hotel. Interesting. Guys, Solis Hotel. There's a coffee shop that also called Solis Coffee. So the first floor is done. I could imagine now, this is recorded on the day you see it. This is recorded right now. Maybe one day later. No, you see it on the same day. 23rd of February. Let's see back in 2 months how far they are. Guys, it was so funny when I did it with this building. That was very quick. But I'm very interested about this one. So I think they're gonna be done in 8 months. That's my guess. Maybe 24th of October, my birthday, this will be done. No, maybe end of the year. End of the year, hopefully. I'm excited. A new hotel to be reviewed. I still have few more left, but yeah. So we're now at the Doba Street. Doba. Also home of good places here. Get some juices. Everything is open again. It's beautiful. Got the Santa Luxury Hotel here. And oh my God, this is also brand new. So this was a coffee shop before. Then it was a clothing store. And now it's Papa Steak. And I think this will be successful because this is the perfect area to make a steakhouse. Papa Steak, awesome. That's good. So I'm wondering when they're gonna open. We will find out. I will try it out anyways. Let's see. This is crazy, right? So when I left Da Nang, this was not here. And now it's here. Seafood will never go out of business. It's not a real building. It's just a small building in the back, and then they just have a cover over there. And you get billiard, the Milan Chow beef noodles. I still have to try them though. Massage VIP, okay. Far lounge. Not much has changed here. Sports bar. It's probably gonna be more busy now. Hybrids here. Since the other bar has closed. I already forget the bar. But it was so nice people. I knew the owners, they're like locals. A brother and sister. And sad that they had to close. Very sad. RHM Asian Hospitality Land Finance. That sounds so sketchy, but it's the Flower Hotel, guys. Or maybe a business is in the second floor. Oh, now I get it. Okay, never mind then. Oh, look at this. What is that? So this is Indian restaurant, and this here, noodle cafe. So you can get coffee here, bonnet. This is an interesting meal. Smoked sausage set. So you can actually get noodles here. Authentic Korean ramen. Yeah. So in this hotel, for everyone who maybe booked it, it's the Pansy Hotel. The Pansy Beach and the Flower Hotel is the same thing. They just have 2 entries in Agoda and in Booking, I think. And then there's a company in there. Or maybe the company owns those 2 hotels that is in one building. Yeah. And what is that? K Fashion, discount outlet. And then they have just blasted a lot of flags in there. And a fat white couple. This is so racist. My God, why did I do this, man? Or maybe this is a sign that they have big sizes. All right, I take it. Maybe it's the right size. You know what? We go and check it out. Bloody electric bikes, you cannot hear them. Oh, okay. So this is for big boys as well, for me. Oh, nice. Hello. Oh, this is actually exactly something for me, for big people. You can get some golfing gear. Interesting. Lacoste, Lululemon. Okay. Maybe for everyone who wants to buy some bigger clothing, this might be it, guys. All right. Okay, bye-bye. I'm not sure how long they can be open for all the clothing there. But yeah, so for everyone who asks me, who is also big like me, tall and big and strong, this is where you can get some clothing. They have big sizes. Check this out. What is that? Luxury hotel and apartment. Interesting, guys. Apartment for rent. There you go. Numbers. You see, what is that? Happy News Photos K-Box. Okay. Interesting. So many new places here. And one place left, the chat. I think, if I remember right. What? No, okay. Never mind. I thought that would be that, but the Mexican place is still there. Loco something. Loco Thai. I don't know what was there. I think it was the Laos restaurant 2-3 years ago. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, it's been demolished and something new will be happening here. And check this out. They have they had to stabilize the buildings next to it. That's very interesting, right? Oh boy. I'm gonna have a coffee now. I'm gonna have a coffee. Let's see if my wood guy is still there. The sign is still there with money exchange. Not sure. The butcher shop is still there. Lou Coffee. Everything the same. And the money guy is still here, and it also says the money guy, the wood guy. the agra wood. And it still says money exchange, so I think it's still back open. Pharmacies are everywhere, guys, so if you need anything, you can always get it here. But if you have some serious problems, you better check it out before. Because I don't know, like, if there are medicine licensed in other countries, I don't know if they're gonna have it here too. Usually they have it though. Usually they have even German products here. So they're imported then. But yeah, some serious health, hard medicine or something, obviously bring this from your hometown. And bring the prescription as well. Because prescription drugs needs to be shown that you have a prescription, you know. And don't bring Adderall and things like that. If you have ADHD, there's Ritalin here, I think, still. No prescription if I'm not wrong, but I don't know how legal that is, to be honest. Don't bring Adderall to Asia, guys. Especially all my American guys or girls, don't bring Adderall to Asia. In some countries, it's the same as meth. Especially, I think in Thailand. In Thailand, it's really bad. Just Google it, guys. I remember a good American friend. He always has Adderall, and he has prescription and everything. So he has a proper medicine thing and everything. And he's not misusing it for performance reasons. But I'm like, yo, you better throw it away. Because I don't know if he had his prescription with him, but it's, yeah, do your research with that. Some things are illegal here in Asia. Don't do drugs in Asia, guys. Because here in Southeast Asia, at least Vietnam and Thailand, if you have drugs in your system, you can also get problems. And I'm not talking about weed or something. No one cares about weed. I'm talking about the hard drugs. Do not do drugs in Southeast Asia. And if you get caught with more, you can even get death penalty, guys. And if you like cocaine, just get the coffee. It's almost the same effect, guys. To be honest, drink 3 Vietnamese coffee in a row. I want to see how you react after that. Hello. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next vlog.